student. We are in our new point, amorphous form of the carbon. Amorphous means non-crystalline. The crystal form name, but non-crystallic form, which is amorphous. Amorphous discussed in chapter 1, solid state. So amorphous form of the carbon is coal, naturally formed and artificially. Coal are two types, natural and artificial. We can derive colso, coal. It is found in different form. Yes, it is found in different form like peat, lignite. Coal we can derive from the earth crust in the different form. So example, peat, as a peat we can derive from earth crust. Lignite, bituminous, and anthracite coal. Maximum percentage of carbon present in anthracite. Minimum percentage of carbon in the peat. So name of the mineral. Calorific value maximum in anthracite. Calorific value means on burning it gives heat. So highest heat gives by anthracite. Anthracite gives highest heat out of all the form of the coal. We are using this coal as a fuel and manufacturing of coal gas, coal tar and coke. Yes, when we take a coal into the closed vessel, we are heating. So there is a gas produces, that is called coal gas. We can derive liquid, which is coal tar, and last remaining residue is coke. એટલે કોલસાનું આપણે ડિસ્ટિલેશન કરીએ તો એમાંથી કોલ ગેસ, કોલ ટાર એન્ડ કોક મળે છે. Now charcoal. This form is obtained. Charcoal means લાકડીઓ કોલસો. This form is obtained by burning wood. લાકડાને તમે બાળો, સંપૂર્ણ બળી ના જાય એ પહેલાની સ્થિતિ, નહીં તો રાખ થઈ જાય. Burning wood, cellulose or any other carbonous matter in a limited supply of air. એટલે wood, cellulose કે કાર્બન વાળું કોઈ પણ સબસ્ટન્સ કે મેટર એને લિમિટેડ એરમાં burning કરવામાં આવે તો it convert into charcoal. So charcoal is wood charcoal, sugar, coconut charcoal. Yes sir. Charcoal છે એ sugar માંથી હોય તો sugar charcoal, લાકડામાંથી બન્યું હોય તો wood charcoal, animal માંથી બન્યું હોય તો animal charcoal, coconut નાળિયેરમાંથી બન્યું હોય તો coconut charcoal we can say. Charcoal releases water and gives activated charcoal. Yes sir. In charcoal carbon is non-reactive, but in the activated charcoal carbon is highly reactive. After releasing of water from the charcoal, it gives activated charcoal. Now by this process increase absorption capacity of charcoal. This process is activation. We are calling activation. Coal છે એની absorption capacity after removal of water, moisture increases. So this is called activation. એને active બનાવવાનું કહેવાય. Charcoal is most active form of carbon. કાર્બનનું સૌથી વધારે એક્ટિવ ફોર્મ ચારકોલ છે. Why? on the surface of it absorption occurs maximum. Now lamp black or carbon black or soot, highly soft black powder, very फुल्फी एकदम मुलायम ब्लैक पाउडर, सॉफ्ट फुल्फी एकदम सॉफ्ट ब्लैक पाउडर इज कॉल्ड लैम्प ब्लैक और कार्बन ब्लैक और soot. It is obtained by bursting substance which contain carbon such as kerosene oil, petroleum, turpentine, acetylene, etc. in limited supply of air. આ કાર્બન બ્લેક કેમ મળે? તમે કેરોસીન ને ક્યારે બાળ્યું હશે? કેરોસીન એનો દીવો બનાવીએ તો એની જે ફ્લેમ હોય એમાં કાર્બન બ્લેક હોય છે અને અહીં કોઈ સરફેસ હોય તો અહીંયા બ્લેક ડસ્ટ જમા થાય છે, that is કાર્બન બ્લેક. પેટ્રોલિયમ, ટર્પેન્ટાઇન ઓઇલ, એસિટિલિન ગેસ, when limited supply of air માં burning થાય, so it gives carbon black powder. It contains carbon black contains 98 to 99% carbon, pure carbon. It is soft black powder used for making printing inks in our Xerox machine, in printer, yes, as a ink, ribbon of typewriters. टाइपराइटर ની રિબિંગ હોય છે એમાં પણ this type of black powder we are using. Other most important form of the carbon is that is buckyballs or Buckminster fullerene. Buckminster fullerene or buckyball we are calling fullerenes. This is not a natural form of the carbon. This one is the artificial man-made form of the carbon. It has the formula C60. Buckminster fullerene formula C60. 60 carbon વાળું એક બોલ છે formed by hexa and pentagonal ring of carbon. એટલે કે 6 કાર્બન કનેક્ટેડ હોય અને 5 કાર્બન કનેક્ટેડ હોય એવી રિંગ વાળો સ્ફિયર બોલ છે અને સ્ટ્રક્ચર ઓફ ઇટ ઇઝ ફૂટબોલ ટાઈપ. ફૂટબોલના દડા જેવું દેખાય છે. ફોર્મેશન યસ કેમાંથી બનશે? ફુલેરિન્સ we can forms from graphite. Evaporation by laser. Yes, on the graphite we are passing laser beam. We are passing laser light. So it convert into fullerenes having Cn. N means number of carbon. The C60 જ ના હોય, C70 હોય. હવે ઘણા ટાઈપના નંબર ઓફ કાર્બન્સ વાળા સ્ફિયર બોલ બનાવે છે. Graphite in the presence of inert gas. The graphite ને એક ક્લોઝ વેસલમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રિક આર્ક એટલે કાર્બનના જે સળિયાઓ છે ગ્રેફાઇટના એને હાઈલી વોલ્ટેજ આપો અને ઇનર્ટ ગેસ ઓક્સિજન કેવું નહીં એની એબ્સેન્સમાં ફુલેરિન્સ આપે છે. Fullerenes normally contain C60 with smaller quantity of C70. Most of the molecule of fullerene is C60 and very less are C70 also present there. Here structure of C60 is given. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 5 carbon makes a pentagon and this 6 carbon makes a hexagon. Pentagon હોય એની આસપાસ only hexagonal. Here in contact there is only hexagons. But hexagon છે pentagon, hexagon, pentagon repeatedly comes there. Pentagon and hexagon repeatedly attached there. એટલે પેન્ટાગોન હોય એની આસપાસ બધા હેક્સાગોન આવે. હેક્સાગોનની આસપાસ અલ્ટરનેટિવલી પેન્ટાગોન and હેક્સાગોન હોય છે. Now you can see C60 is also called Buckminster fullerene in honor of Robert Buckminster Fuller. Name of scientist. આ જે form of carbon છે એનું name Buckminster fullerene given છે in honor of જેને શોધેલું હતું તે discovered by Robert Buckminster Fuller. In honor of it, shape of C60 is soccer ball and C70 has a rugby ball. A total sphere. A થોડું sphere ને આ ટાઈપનું rugby ball આ છે, soccer ball આવું છે. C70 and C60 having hexagonal and pentagonal units. 5 carbon makes ring pentagon, 6 carbon make ring hexagon. Now chemical properties of the carbon. Covariant chemical properties of the carbon. So first of all, action of air. Carbon, all the allotropic forms, the carbon બધા જે forms છે of carbon burns in air or oxygen, forming carbon dioxide when oxygen supply is sufficient. Carbon burns with oxygen gives carbon dioxide whenever oxygen is sufficient. But when carbon is burning with oxygen in insufficient supply of oxygen gives carbon monoxide. એટલે પૂરો ઓક્સિજન હોય હાજર તો CO, insufficient હોય તો carbon monoxide it gives. Now reducing properties means reducing agent nature. Itself experiences oxidation and it reduces another compound. Carbon is a strong reducing agent, means itself experiences oxidation. It reduces many metallic oxide to corresponding metals. The metal oxide माथी metal આપશે. Here lead monoxide, PbO. So carbon combines with oxygen. Here oxidation number of carbon is 0. Here it will be +2. 0 into +2 means oxidation. So carbon is a reducing agent. Here lead experiences reduction, +2 into 0. So carbon reduces the lead oxide, convert into lead. Now water to carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Water to hydrogen at high temperature, red hot steam. એટલે પાણીની વરાળ એકદમ ગરમ પાણીની વરાળ. We are passing on the carbon, red hot steam. So carbon combines with oxygen and experiences oxidation. Here H+1 experiences reduction. Water माथी hydrogen नो reduction करसे and gives dihydrogen gas. And mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. Now formation of carbides. When heated with certain oxide, it forms the corresponding carbide. Calcium oxide is reacting with 3 mole of carbon at 2000 degrees Celsius temperature. Here one carbon with one oxygen, CO. Upward arrow means gas, and it will be escaped. So remaining two carbon combines here like this. This is calcium carbide. Structure of calcium carbide. Here calcium plus 2. Here also plus 2. But carbon here reduces 0 into minus 2. It converts into calcium carbide at 2000 degrees Celsius. It gives this type of the compound. Now compound of the carbon. Compound of the carbon. So one of the compound of carbon is carbon dioxide. Preparation of carbon dioxide from lime kilns. Lime kilns, limestone. Lime is manufactured by the calcination of limestone. Lime, quick lime. We can form by decomposition on heating. High temperature पर गरम करो यानी calcination क्या? Calcination means heating at high temperature. Yes, so calcium carbonate when we heat at high temperature. So after decomposition gives carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. By combustion of carbon and other fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means fuel we can derive from the earth crust like a petroleum, which is called fossil fuel. By thousands of years process done inside the earth crust and petroleum occurs which are formed from the animals or plants. After thousands of years, which is called જમીનમાં કોઈ પ્રાણી મનુષ્ય દટાઈ જાય અને લાખો હજારો વર્ષ પછી જે ફ્યુલ બન્યું તે ફોસિલ ફ્યુલ in excess of oxygen, otherwise called coal, derived from the earth crust when burns in presence of oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Now physical property of carbon dioxide. Physical property of the carbon dioxide. Physical property of carbon dioxide. CO2 is a colorless. Carbon dioxide has no any color, which is colorless, which is present in our air around us. Odorless gas. It has no any odor. एनी कोई वास पण होती नहीं. Dry ice is obtained when CO2 is cooled under pressure 50 to 60 atmosphere. What is dry ice? Solid form of carbon dioxide is called dry ice. In the vessel, when we fill carbon dioxide and when we apply pressure 50 to 60 atmosphere, so it converts into solid. That is called dry ice. Dry ice is obtained when CO2 is cooled. Temperature we have to decrease and we have to apply pressure 50 to 60 atmosphere. અત્યારે કેટલું છે 1 atmospheric pressure છે. We have to increase up to 50 to 60. When solid carbon dioxide is allowed to evaporate in air, under 1 atmospheric pressure, once CO2 solid, dry ice is made, and when we kept open in air at 1 atmospheric pressure, so solid directly convert into gas. That is sublimation. It is changed directly in the gaseous state without liquefying. It is called dry ice. આ liquid બન્યા વગર direct ગેસમાં convert થાય, called dry ice. It is highly soluble in water under ordinary pressure, but at high pressure solubility is high. We are drinking soda. આપણે સોડા પીએ છીએ. So inside your soda there is a pure water, and pressurized carbon dioxide is filled, which is called soda, drinking soda, H2CO3. Yes, this process H2CO3 aqueous powder ના મળે. જેવું પ્રેશર રિલીઝ કરો કન્વર્ટ ઇન્ટુ CO2 and water. પ્રેશર વધારે હોય તો સોડા સ્ટ્રોંગ લાગે છે. High pressurized CO2 is filled into the bottle, which is strong soda. Pressure high હોય તો solubility high, and temperature ઉપર depend કરશે. Temperature low હોય તો solubility more, temperature high તો solubility less. It do not burn and support in burning. CO2 એ combustive નથી, બળે એવો નથી કે સપોર્ટિંગ પણ નથી. બર્નિંગમાં સપોર્ટિંગ પણ નથી. ઇટ સેલ્ફ બળે નહીં અને બર્નિંગમાં સપોર્ટ પણ નહીં કરે. However, burning magnesium, sodium or potassium continuous burning in gas. Burning magnesium એટલે મેગ્નેશિયમ હવામાં બળતું હોય કે સોડિયમ, તો CO2 માં હેલ્પ કરશે. Continuous burning in gas. CO2 magnesium burning હોય MgO, magnesium oxide and carbon release થાય. Then CO2 with sodium, sodium oxide and carbon. This sodium oxide combines with CO2 and convert into sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. These are physical properties. Now we are going to discuss about chemical properties. So first one, carbon dioxide react with carbon and convert into carbon monoxide. Here carbon dioxide react with the carbon. What happens here actually? Carbon with oxygen gives 2 mole of carbon monoxide, like this. This carbon experiences oxidation and this carbon experiences reduction. Oxygen having -2 charge, so carbon +4. This carbon experiences reduction. This carbon experiences oxidation here. Carbon dioxide with sodium hydroxide gives sodium carbonate, 2 mole. Carbon dioxide when we pass in the solution of sodium hydroxide, so Na2CO3, sodium carbonate and 2 sodium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen used, remaining 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, so releasing of water there. So CO2 combined with the 2 NaOH gives Na2CO3 and water. Weakly acidic oxide, when dissolved in water, some molecule of water react with CO2 and form carbonic acid. One of the weakest acid is carbonic acid, And listen, this reaction is the reversible. H2CO3 in highly unstable. We can't get in the powder form. H2CO3 નો powder ન બને, યાદ રાખજો. Highly unstable acid છે, which is highly unstable acid. It never gives a powder. When we decrease the pressure at a time, as a carbon dioxide bubble, CO2 release થઈ જાય. The name of it is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a weak dibasic acid. Why weak dibasic? Carbonic acid gives a 2H plus ion on ionization of it. So which is dibasic acid. Whenever acid releases 1H plus, so monobasic releases 2H plus, it combining with 2OH, dibasic acid. CO2 with water gives H2CO3. Now H2CO3 reversibly gives H plus and bicarbonate in the water. Now bicarbonate once again gives another H plus proton and convert into carbonate ion. So H2CO3 releases 2H plus ion, so which is dibasic acid. The solution of CO2 in water and equilibrium mixture, આ યાદ રાખજો. CO2 નું વોટરમાં સોલ્યુશન છે એ શું છે? કાર્બન ડાયોક્સાઇડ, કાર્બોનિક એસિડ, bicarbonate. The solution of carbon dioxide into water contains which ions? Carbon dioxide, carbonic acid. Yes, reversible છે, એટલે completely ionization ના હોય. એમાં બધા all type of ions are there present. Structure of bicarbonate. Yes, this is MCQ. You can see here all the 4 carbon is used here. So 1, 2, 3 sigma bond and 1 pi. Pi bond છે આપણે એમાં consider ન થાય. Sigma 3, so sp2. In H2CO3 also 1, 2, 3 sigma bond and 1 pi. 4 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન યુઝ થઈ ગયા. ખાલી સિગ્મા બોન્ડ કાઉન્ટ થાય એટલે sp2. In carbonate also 3 sigma and 1 pi. Here carbonate, carbonic acid or bicarbonate, there is sp2 hybridization there. All are contain planar geometry. Yes, sp2 હોય એટલે geometry કેવી હોય? planar જ હોય ને. Uses of CO2. It is used as fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher એટલે કે આગ બુઝાવવા માટે. Used in irritated water and for purification of sugarcane juice. Irritated water બનાવવા માટે અને sugarcane juice. શેરડીના સાઠાની અંદર જે રસ છે તેમાં અશુદ્ધિ દૂર કરવા, purification. It is employed in Solvay process. Solvay ની સોડા એમોનિયા પ્રોસેસ છે એમાં CO2 નો યુઝ થાય છે. Solid CO2 is used as refrigerant, the dry ice. Solid CO2 means dry ice. We are using as a Solvay ની સોડા એમોનિયા પ્રોસેસમાં Na2CO3 NHCO3 ના પ્રોડક્શનમાં CO2 એમ્પ્લોય થાય, તો યુઝ થાય. Solid CO2 is refrigerant, એટલે ઠંડક માટે. For cooling, solid CO2 is કોઈને ચામડી બળી ગઈ હોય કે દાજી ગયા હોય તો solid CO2 યુઝ થાય છે. ઠંડક આપે છે અને વહેલું રૂઝાઈ જાય છે. Manufacturing of urea with ammonia. CO2 react with 2 mole of ammonia. Unstable. ammonium carbamate occurs here. Ammonium carbamate. Here one bond breaks. Here NH2. Here O NH4 plus. Ammonium carbamate. Then after 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen releases as a water. Then NH2 CO NH2 occurs. Unstable ammonium carbamate occurs. Ammonium carbamate. Then releasing of water from there gives urea. In salt, CO with NH2 twice. This one also urea. Releasing of water from ammonium carbamate, it gives urea. Now we will discuss about it more in next lecture. Till then, bye.